When the light of frequency 2 watt, where VO is the threshold frequency, is incident on a metal plate, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted is V. When the frequency of the incident radiation is increased to 5 VO, the maximum velocity of electron emitted from the same plate is V2. So the ratio of V1 to V2 is option 1, 1 ratio 2, option 2, 2 ratio 1, option 3, 4 ratio 1, option 4, 1 ratio 4. So the answer is E is equal to W naught plus half mv square. H E is the H into 2VO, which is threshold frequency, is equal to HV naught plus 1 by 2 mv1 square. HV naught is equal to 1 by 2 mv1 square. H into 5V naught is equal to HV naught plus half mv2 square. H V naught 4 is equal to 1 by 2 mv2 square. So when we divide equation 1 by 2, 1 by 4 is equal to V1 square divided by V2 square, which is the ratio from V1 to V2 is 1 ratio